Yes, there's a question here. Question 3. It says, using the map of the golf course, find the area on the ground represented by 1 square centimeters on the map. Alright, so we're gonna do shading something here, and shading one of these meters. Highlight it for you quickly. Now, let's use the green. Alright, so they're asking you the area on the ground represented by a square centimeter on the map. So I'm gonna choose, it can be anywhere on the map. You can choose square centimeter here. Alright, there you go, we have it. That's our square centimeter. Now the thing with the square centimeter is that it is just a reminder still, it is what they call it, a square centimeter. It means that the sides, if you have the actual drawing, it means that the length and the width are both 1 centimeter. Forgive my handwriting here still, but you get the idea. One side 1 centimeter, that side 1 centimeter. It's also, so you know it's a square. Now question is asking you what does it represent actually on the ground on the map. And in doing this question, you want to know that, remember that the 1 centimeter, the scale, as you can see here, the scale did say that 1 centimeter is 1 centimeter is actually 4,000 centimeters on the ground, and that 4,000 centimeters is equal to, well, you convert it to meters, that would be 40 meters. All right, yeah, let's have that again, 40 meters. Okay, now since they'll be saying, actually saying that both sides, they're really on the ground, it would be 40, a 40 by 40 square, giant square on the ground. And the area now would be easy, so because the area of a square is equal to side squared. Alright, or you can still use length by width, same thing really, except that since no, one side is 40 and you don't square it because the other side is 42. I keep repeating stuff because it's a teacher thing. I just want to make sure that it sinks. So that's 40 times 40. Quickly, 4 4 16. That gives you 1600 meters square meters. Yeah, proper way to say square meters. So there you go. One of these little squares here, right? They actually represent 1600 square meters on the ground. All right, good. That brings us to our next question. Okay, you can use this to help you answer the next question. A third. Right, so actual area of golf course that will be your 1600 meters squares that you got, and you're going to multiply it by the number of squares. Now you're going to have to count that. Now we're about to find the area, because the question asks you to find what's the area covered here by the map. Is it the actual area of the golf course? Actual area of the golf course given the answer in square meters. So that's what they want you to find. And it says using the map again. The question says using the map of the golf course, you are gonna find the actual area given the answer in square meters. Now you're gonna have to do some counting here. So let's scroll back up to it. I've cleared it up a bit, and let's get to our counting. So we have some full squares here, 3 4, all The full squares are here: 10, 11, 12, 16, 17. Now this one, you can count that too. It's a bit of estimation there, but it almost was 90% full, so you can call that a full square. We might go for this one too. 19. Looking around, I hardly see anywhere that could compensate for here, so a 90. And this one, we could call this one 20. Alright, and then you're going to have to find the others now by making up. Now if you notice, just follow the dot on the screen. This dot right here. I really need to get something called something put there. Anyway, this part goes to that part, so that's 20 over there, so you could just call this 21. So these two would make 1 roughly, and again, as I was saying, there's a bit of estimation going on here. 21, let's say 22 here, and this piece 22, and this would be 23. Yes, 23. Those two, this piece here again could sort of fit here, or I could have used this still, but you know, it's estimation. That's 23, so let's go for 24. Obviously we can see that this little piece can fit back here, and then 25. It's 25. Let's find a little piece to go right here. I can let's capture something from around here. There's a piece here. Just jab it right here, and just call this 25 as part of that. And so we want 26. 26. Let's call this 26. Wait. With the thing here, this almost half of this is missing, so it's 26 here, and then its other matching partner is way across here. And then so you want 27. Yes, this piece could be 27. And bring this piece here and call that 27. Alright, the matching piece here. So you're left with this piece here, let's call it 28. A little trunk here that's not there, but as again, you won't be marked down for stuff like this. It's 28. You could have gone differently, but you know that the best answer lies 27 something, 28, between 20 and 27, 29. You'll be marked down for stuff like that. So there we have it. We get the area, the full area. So it's 28 centimeters squared. That's covered on paper. 1600 square meters. So to find the area of golf course, that will be equal to, you're gonna write it neater than this. I don't know, follow me, trying to do something quick here. So you try to write a bit better than, much better than me, and a bit more orderly, but I want you to understand this. So you have 1600 times 28. Alright, work that out. Do that quickly. It's 1600 times 28. That gives you 44800. And of course this is square meters. So there you go, area of that golf course.